Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sarvajahat Academy and I welcome you all on my Facebook page. This video will also be uploaded on my YouTube channel, which is Sarvajahat Academy. Simply, if you want to contact me, this is my number, which is available on WhatsApp. So now, today's topic is related to probability. We have already uploaded a lot of videos on probability, and today we just want to give you a extensive you can say knowledge about the deck of cards. If you have a knowledge of deck of cards, then you can easily solve the questions related to probability. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to solve such questions. So today we will talk about theoretical probability plus experimental probability. So first of all, let me explain you that how many cards are there in a deck of cards. There will be 52 cards in a deck of cards. Mainly you have to understand that there are total 52 cards in a deck of cards. So, and the knowledge of these cards is very important to solve probability related questions. So now let me explain that. For example, this is the spade, and this is the you can call it this is diamond, this is spade, this is heart, and this is club. Now let me quickly just have to arrange these cards. So this is spade, this is heart, this is again the spade cards. So in every card we have, there are total 4 different type of cards. You can see this is spade, this is diamond, this is heart, and this is club. So we have, let me just quickly arrange them, and then I will explain you that what we have to do today. And the main difference you have to watch regarding the experimental probability and the theoretical probability. For example, this is now let me quickly arrange them. Just stay with me, so we will do it. And one most important thing, people contact me regarding online tuition jobs. I request each and every Pakistani, each and every Indian, that whatever knowledge you have, just try to record that knowledge in these videos and try to record these videos for your nation. If you are not giving an input in online tuition, then it's useless to demand online tuition jobs. Clear? So this is the page which is dedicated to online tuition jobs for Pakistanis and Indians. So now look at this. First of all, let me arrange it. We have total 52 cards, and each type of card, for example, this diamond we have 13 cards. This heart, this is the heart shaped cards, we have 13 cards over here. This is club, 13 cards in such type of you can say shape, and this is spade. So each type of cards have 13 total cards. 13 cards are for the spade, 13 for the club, 13 for the heart, and 13 for the diamond. Now every type of card has 13 type of cards. So let me arrange them. This is ace, king, queen. So this is the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So now let me show you that how this will be done. So there are total 13 types of cards in each and every type of. So this is a spade, we have the top ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, let me count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 cards in spade. The same way we have 13 cards in club, 13 cards in heart shape and 13 diamond cards. Now come to the probability. Each type, so if you have each type of card is present in everywhere. So for example, the 2 is present in club, 2 is present in spade, 2 is definitely present in the heart shaped cards, and 2 is definitely present. So the question will be, what will be the question? If you draw a card at random, what is the probability that you will find a card number written 2 on that? So how many total cards are there? There are 4 total cards. So what is the probability of drawing 2? The probability of drawing 2 will be 4 over 52. The probability of drawing 2 will be 4 over 52. The same way, probability of drawing 3 will be 4 over 52. The probability of drawing 6 will be 4 over 52. The probability of drawing 3 will be 4 over 52. And the same way, the probability of drawing 3 will be 4 over 52, because 3 is present in each type. And the total types we have 4 types. That's why each type of card has a probability of drawing 4 over 52. I hope you got this thing. Now, how many total red cards are there? How many total red cards are there? We have 2 types of cards. Those are red. So 13 in each. 13 we have the diamond. 13 we have heart shape. So there are total. Cards. Those are red are 26 cards. And what about the black one? The same way, the total black cards are 26, each of 13 types. We have 13 spades and 13 club. So there are total 26 black and 26 red cards. What is the probability? So the question will be, what is the probability if you shuffle them? I don't want to shuffle them at the moment. What is the probability of drawing a red card? That will be among total 52 cards. The probability of drawing a red card will be 26 over 52, and drawing a black card will be 26 over 52. I hope you understand this concept. Now, how many face cards are there? Face card means the face is drawn on them. So look at this. King, queen, jack. So there are 3 cards from each type of cards. So from the diamond we have king, jack and queen. The same way from the heart shape we have 3 types of cards: king, jack, and the queen. Where is the queen? The queen. And now, which is remaining? The spade. The spade cards are remaining. So we will find the face cards from the spade also. So king, queen, jack. So now kindly count how many type of total face cards are there. In a deck of cards, there are total 52 face cards. In a deck of cards, there are total 52 is the total, and 12 are the face cards. So what is the probability of drawing a face card from a deck of 52? That will be 12 over 52. Drawing a face card that if you shuffle them, drawing a face card will be 12 over 52. And now here you have to understand the difference between theoretical probability and what is the next? Theoretical probability and practical one. The practical means the experimental probability. We call it experimental probability. The practical probability is called the experimental probability, in which you will do the experiment. For example, let me shuffle it. And theoretical probability, we know the answer. We already knew the answer, that if you want to find a face card among 52 cards, what is the probability of drawing a face card? Because there are total 12 cards, and drawing a face card from 52 will be 12 over 52, because there are total 12 cards. Those have the faces drawn on them, and the total cards are 52. So drawing a face card, the probability will be 12 over 52. I hope you understand this thing. Now again, even if you will not find, look at this. This is the difference between experimental probability and the theoretical probability. Even if you are drawing a card of 9, but still when they will ask that what is the probability of drawing a face card from the deck of 52, you will write 12 over 52. You will write 12 over 52, but when we are performing experiment, we are finding 9, but still the answer will remain 12 over 52. Let me do it again. Look at this. What is the probability? What is the probability of drawing of a face card from a deck of 52? That will remain 12 over 52 in theoretical probability. The answer will remain same because we knew it that there are 12 face cards and the total number of cards are 52. So we will always say that there are 12 over 52 is the probability of drawing a face card. Whether you will not find a face card whenever you shuffle it, because this is experiment and the theory is different from experiment. I hope you got this point. Now, what is the probability of drawing a red card from a deck of 52? How many red cards are there? I have told you that there are 50, among 52 cards there are 26 red cards. So drawing a red card will be 26 over 52 even if the card is black. So look at this. We are doing an experiment. We got black card, but still whenever people will ask that what is the probability of drawing a red card from the deck of 52, you will write 26 over 52. 50% cards are red, 50% cards are black. So you will write that the probability of finding a red card among 52 will be 50% or 26 over 52. I hope you understand this point. Now, the same way, let's talk about the black cards. What is the probability of drawing a black card among 52 cards? The answer was 26 over 52. The answer was 26 over 52 in experimental probability. And in experimental probability, the answer will remain same even if you find a red card. Even if you find a red card, that doesn't matter. Even if you find a red card, that doesn't matter. The probability of getting a black card among 52 cards will be 50% or 26 over 52 or 1 over 2. I hope you understand the game. I hope you understand the topic, that what will be the probability. And one more thing. There will be few questions, those will be related to with replacement and without replacement. Now you have to understand. For example, we have to draw number 1 card and number 2 card. We have to draw a card first and then we have to draw another card. Look at this. We are not replacing the first card. What is the probability? The question will be, what is the probability to draw first card black and the second card red? What is the probability of drawing first card black, second card red? So finding a black card will be 26 over 52. Finding a black card will be 26 over 52 and finding a red card will be 26 over 52. I don't want to show it because this is an experiment. This will confuse you. Otherwise, I'm deliberately putting the second card as red. So the first card will be 26 over 52. But look at this, the second card. The one black card is being deducted. So when you are going to draw the second card, the denominator will be reduced by this one card. So the probability of drawing a red card will be 26 over 51. The first card is black, that will be 26 over 52. But when you are going to draw the second card without replacing the first card, so the total cards in the deck, if you don't want to put it, the total cards will be 51. This is the first card. This we are not going to replace it. The second card will be red, but this time the total cards are 51, so you will write 26 over 52 multiply by 26 over 51. This is the difference. So I don't want to confuse you anymore. I hope you have understand the basic concept of showing these cards, so you can understand. So you can understand that how many face cards are there, how many the diamonds are there. The diamonds are 13. How many heart shapes are there? The heart shapes are 13. The spade is 13, and the club is 13. So I hope you have understand that there are 4 different types of cards. Clear? Let me put them again the last time. Let me put these cards again. This is club. Total there are 13. This is spade. There are total spade. The king are 4, the 7 are 4, the ace are 4, the 10 are 8. There are 4 of each cards. 4 8, 4 aces, 4 king, and 4 sevens. But when somebody will ask that how many types, there are total 4 types of cards. To draw a red card from a deck of cards, the probability will be 26 over 52. To draw a black card, to draw this will be, if somebody is asking that what is the probability of drawing 5? What is the probability of drawing 5 from a deck of card? Then you will write 4 over 52. Fine. Drawing this card, drawing a card 3 will again 4 over 52, because there are total 4 threes. There are total 4 threes. Finding this joker, finding this jack card among 52 cards, the probability of drawing this jack, because there are total 4 jacks in a deck of cards. Even if you shuffle it, even if you don't shuffle it, the total will remain same. There are total 4 jack cards, so probability of drawing a jack will be 4 over 52. So I hope you understand this concept, that each card has a probability of 4 over 52. Each card has a probability. The queen, again, to draw a queen from a deck of cards will be 4 over 52. So that's all. Drawing 5 among 52 cards. There are total 5 cards. There are total 5 cards. So drawing 5 among 52 cards, the probability will remain 4 over 52. And drawing a black card, there are total, how many total black cards are there? The total black cards are there are 26 black cards to draw. Even if you find a red card, this is an experimental probability. Experiment will always or sometime can be different from the theory. Theory will always say that finding a black card will be 26 over 52, even if you will find a red card, but finding a black card will remain 26 over 52. Finding a red card will always be 26 over 52. I hope you understand the concept of these cards. So there are one last time, let me read it again, let me repeat it again, that there are total 52 cards, there are 12 face cards, there are 26 black cards, and there are 26 red cards, 26 red, 26 black, and 13 of each types. And we have one last time, this is this is the diamond, this is spade, this is the shape of club, and this is the heart shaped cards. That's all for today. If you want to contact me, you can simply contact me on my number, which is +92 300 256 2296. I'm available 24/7. You can simply contact me on my number. This is that's all from Sir Bajaj Academy. And I request every tutor who is willing to give online tuition, that must record your online video so people can see that how you teach. And number 2, Pakistanis are I cannot explain that how much Pakistan need the literacy rate of Pakistan is 54%, and as far as of India, that is around more than 70%. So we Pakistanis have to teach not only to the Pakistan but also to the Indians, because we have big hearts. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye.